Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making a cheesy broccoli snacking bread. What the heck is that? That is a cake salé, said with a sort of French accent. It's basically a French quick bread. You combine everything together, and I think it's kind of like a kitchen sink bread because you can throw pretty much anything into this. This one has cheddar cheese, Parmesan cheese, and broccoli, but do you want to make yours with smoked salmon? Why, yes, go right ahead. Do you have some chicken left over in the fridge and some Asiago cheese and some other vegetable you want to throw into it? Asparagus, that might be nice. Throw it into the bread. You could put meat in this bread. Bread is very flexible, so feel free to come up with your own special variation or just call it kitchen sink bread. Cake salé. Of course, I was inspired by this song. So we're making this quick bread with broccoli and cheddar cheese directly poured in it. Yeah. Get your pan ready to go. This is an 8.5 by 4. Can use 9 by 5 too. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Second thing you want to do is to get your pan ready to go. You can put parchment paper in it or not, but be sure it's sprayed either way. Flour, cornmeal, baking powder, baking soda, salt, pepper. Whisk together. If you don't like the seasonings in this, add your own. Have fun. Cheddar cheese, Parmesan cheese, whisk together again. Don't like cheddar or Parmesan cheese? Choose a different cheese. Better yet, grate your own cheese because the stuff that you buy in the packets has stuff on it already. You want it to melt nicely. Shred your own cheese, buy a block, just make it happen. Eggs, buttermilk, olive oil. Whisk until smooth. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry. Combine together. Add in your finely chopped broccoli. Your mixture is going to be thick, and that is okay. Transfer your mixture into your pan. Pat it down. Sprinkle Parmesan on top. Into the oven for 55 to 65 minutes until it's golden brown and a toothpick comes out clean and it has a little bit of spring to it. Time's up, toothpick test. It's looking a nice golden brown. Let's stick that toothpick in. That is coming out clean. Let's take it out. Let it rest in the pan for about 10 minutes and then we'll take it out and let it cool completely. Look at this cheesy broccoli snacking bread cake salé. Can see all of the cheese in there and the broccoli pieces and that coating of Parmesan cheese on top. Yum. It smells delicious. I mean, this smells like, well, cheese covered broccoli. Yum. It's all in the taste, so let's take a bite. I have to say, I never would have thought of putting broccoli and cheese in a bread together, but this is great and nutritious because broccoli's got all those vitamins in it and the cheese has protein, so I'm just saying, this is good for you. Well, it's not bad for you. If I can make this cheesy broccoli snacking bread cake salé for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you've seen any products that I've used, check out my storefront on Amazon and check me out on Instagram and TikTok for a whole lot more, like really a whole lot. So we're making this quick bread with broccoli and cheddar cheese all dumped and poured into it. Now let me do. So we're making this quick bread with broccoli in it. So we're making making this quick bread with broccoli. Oh yeah, in it, in fact, get your 8.5 by 4 into it, yeah, because, get your pan ready to go.